The furniture people are here. Haverty's is back. I am getting my two, what am I getting today? Fix the camera. Oh, I'm getting the bookshelves that go to my desk. So I'm going to put one in that corner and one in that corner. So they're getting ready to bring those in now. So I have gotten in both bookshelves. I think they look cute. They are bigger than I realized, but I think they still go with the office. They're not too big for the room. So now I just have to get organized in here and get my pictures and everything up and get it set up as a working office for the new year. But I'm loving the bookshelves, loving the desk, loving the chair, loving how it all came together. So I'm happy about this room so far. So I got my very first little item on my bookshelf here. It is a calendar that I got from, where did I get the calendar from? Oh, Kirkland's, yeah. So I got most of these little items that I have from Kirkland's. Today is the 24th of December, 2024, Christmas Eve. It's also my brother's birthday, my oldest brother's birthday. Would have been his birthday. Also, it is Capricorn season. So I got my older brother, and my brother right under me. We're all Capricorns. So it's Capricorn season out here. So anyway, I think that's cute. I got that from Kirkland's. I thought it was a cute little desk calendar. So I have started some laundry. So I can go ahead and get that out of the way. So I got that started. And then what I'm going to do is get the kitchen counter clean and get ready to start making some of my dishes for Christmas. So while the laundry does its thing, I will be cleaning up the kitchen counter and then start making my cornbread dressing for Christmas. So here is where I'm going to start. My kitchen counter looks a mess, so I'm going to clear all of this stuff off and then give this a good cleaning, and then we can start making the cornbread dressing for Christmas. Dressing is finished.